Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Holy Childhood Prep from St. Andrew going up against Maypen Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Maypen Primary won and decided to send Holy Childhood Prep first. So we begin with Holy Childhood Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Holy Childhood. Which disciple was called a rock by Jesus?
Judas.
Incorrect, it's Peter. Maypen Primary. Which disciple was referred to as the disciple whom Jesus loved and sat beside him during the Last Supper?
Moses.
Incorrect, it's John. Science, Holy Childhood. What is the main vitamin from citrus fruits?
Vitamin C.
That is correct. Maypen, a serious lack of which vitamin can cause night blindness? Holy Childhood Prep, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
The answer is vitamin A. Holy Childhood, International Affairs. Which Caribbean country is known as the Spice Island?
Guyana.
Incorrect, it's Grenada. Maypen, what are the 2 countries on the Caribbean island of Hispaniola?
Dominican Republic and Haiti.
Correct. Holy Childhood, English language. What part of speech is the word on as used in the sentence, the girl left her books on the floor?
Preposition.
Correct. Maypen, what part of speech is the word quickly as used in this sentence? They quickly hiked up the hill.
Adverb.
That is correct. Television, Holy Childhood. In the first Lion King animated movie, what is the name of the place where the king reigns? Maypen, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Pride Rock. Maypen, in the first Lion King animated movie, who is the king of Pride Rock?
Mufasa.
Correct. General knowledge, Holy Childhood. What is the capital of Israel?
Jerusalem.
Correct. Maypen, what is the capital of Egypt?
Zero.
Repeat.
Zero.
Incorrect. Holy Childhood, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Cairo. Social Studies, Holy Childhood. On what date is the autumnal equinox in the Northern Hemisphere?
24th.
Incorrect. It's the 22nd or 23rd of September. Maypen, on what date is the vernal equinox in the Northern Hemisphere? Holy Childhood, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
And that is the end of the first section. The scores are Holy Childhood Prep on 3 and Maypen Primary on 3. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.